If you're looking for a small space heater, you're absolutely going to love this one. So this is what it looks like. I like the fact that it's small, it's compact. I usually put this under my desk for heat. So right over here, the heat, you have the 120 voltage over here. Power is 1500 watts. You can see the size. This is black. You can get different colors. So this is really cool. It just plugs in. This is what we have over here. So you could just have the fan if you wanted to. So if you turn this on just like that, this down here is going to control the heat aspect of it. So when you get it going like that, we're just going to crank it up a little bit. You can see it's starting to blow just like that. Really like the fact that you can control it with this knob right here. And the nice part about this is as soon as it gets, if it got knocked over or picked up for some reason, it automatically stops. You don't have to worry about that. So you have the fan, you have 1, 2, and then you could go all the way up over here. Gives off a great amount of heat for the size of it. So if you're looking for a great small space heater, really like this one a lot. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.